Our Nano CVD dies far outperform standard tungsten carbide cores thanks to our 6-step precision process. First, Pre-CVD machining shapes the core to exact dimensions with initial bore polishing for solid coating adhesion. Second, vacuum CVD coating deposits a 30-micron diamond layer at 10,000 HV hardness, massively boosting wear resistance. Third, ultrasonic polishing creates a mirror finish with ultra-low friction, ensuring smoother drawn wire. Fourth, full steel casing completely protects the core, eliminating any risk of die rupture. Fifth, precision turning with rounded chamfers optimizes stress distribution, extending tool life by 5 to 10 times. Finally, every die undergoes 100% inspection using Dyning DM300 Tech before final marking. Contact us today for custom die solutions or quotes. Thanks for watching.